Clementine, 1994. Lunar surveillance. In 1994, the world watched as NASA launched the Clementine mission, a collaborative effort with the U.S. Department of Defense. Officially, Clementine was designed to test advanced imaging and sensor technology while mapping the moon's surface in unprecedented detail. But beneath the surface of this publicly celebrated mission lay a far more sinister agenda, one that involved the surveillance of anomalies on the moon that the government never intended the public to know. At first glance, Clementine's mission appeared routine. It was a lightweight spacecraft, equipped with an array of high-resolution cameras and sensors, tasked with mapping the moon's topography and mineral composition. But many insiders believe that Clementine's true mission had little to do with scientific curiosity and everything to do with identifying and monitoring structures that had no earthly origin. The real target? Unexplained anomalies, massive structures, unusual geometric formations, and objects that defied natural explanation. Whispers of a hidden agenda emerged after Clementine returned an astonishing 1.8 million images of the moon, revealing startling details that fueled speculation. While the public was shown only carefully curated images, insiders claim that Clementine captured evidence of artificial structures, vast towers, dome-like formations, and massive objects embedded in the moon's surface. Some images appeared to show long-abandoned complexes, possibly ancient alien installations, remnants of a civilization that had once established a foothold on the moon. What made Clementine's findings even more mysterious was its sudden and unexplained termination. After just 2 months of operations, communication with Clementine was abruptly lost, and the mission was declared over. NASA cited a technical malfunction, but skeptics have long questioned whether the abrupt end was a cover-up to prevent any further discoveries from becoming public knowledge. What did Clementine capture that was so significant that the mission had to be silenced? Adding to the intrigue, insiders have suggested that the Department of Defense's interest in Clementine was not merely for testing technology. It was about confirming the existence of extraterrestrial activity on the moon. Some theorists believe that Clementine was not just an exploratory mission. It was a surveillance operation designed to monitor alien installations and assess potential threats. The presence of advanced imaging technology capable of capturing details down to a few meters fueled speculation that Clementine's real purpose was to assess the moon's role in a larger cosmic chess game. Rumors swirled that Clementine had discovered evidence of structures that defied all natural geological processes, gigantic towers that stretched miles above the lunar surface, suggesting engineering on a scale beyond human capability. Large dome-like formations, eerily reminiscent of hangars or containment facilities, hinted at a history of activity that had nothing to do with humanity. And then there were the so-called spaceships, anomalous objects partially buried in lunar dust, their shapes too symmetrical and precise to be the result of natural forces. Further fueling speculation was the fact that some of Clementine's data was classified, never released to the public despite repeated calls for transparency. The images and telemetry collected during the mission remain locked away, protected under the guise of national security. What could be so dangerous that even a hint of the truth was considered too volatile for the public to handle? Perhaps the most unsettling theory is that Clementine's mission was not just about identifying ancient alien structures, but about monitoring ongoing activity. Some believe that the moon is not a dead rock but an active outpost, a silent observer of Earth, manned by entities with motives beyond our understanding. And Clementine, with its cutting-edge sensors and imaging technology, was sent to gather intelligence on whatever was happening beyond the public's eye. If even a fraction of these theories is true, then the implications are staggering. The moon, often dismissed as a lifeless satellite, may be a key player in a larger cosmic narrative, one that humanity is only beginning to grasp. And Clementine, far from being a mere scientific mission, may have opened a door that the powers that be were desperate to close. As the world gears up for a return to the moon with the Artemis program, one question lingers in the minds of those who dare to look beyond the official narrative Will we finally uncover the truth about what Clementine found? Or will the secrets of the moon remain buried beneath layers of classified silence, waiting for a future generation brave enough to confront the unknown? The answers may be out there, but for now, they remain just beyond our reach, hidden in the silent expanse of space.